Hello friends, my name is Rodia. Today we are going to learn how to make flower in Python Turtle. So first we'll go to VS Code and create a new file. We'll name it index.py. So now we are going to write import turtle. The reason why we have to write this is that if we just ordinarily do it, we are not going to be able to do it because turtle isn't in Python normally, so we have to write import. So now we're going to write turtle dot bg color black. We're also going to add these. So now I'm going to write turtle dot speed zero. Now I'm going to write turtle dot hide turtle, and I'm also going to write colors equals to, and then I'll add these. If you think that I'm just making a variable, then no, I am making a list. So I'm going to write red, comma, orange, comma, yellow, comma, green, comma, blue. So now I am going to write for I in range 120, and I'm going to write for J in colors. So what for I in range does is that it makes it to repeat some amount of times. Like now we wrote for I in range 120, so it's going to repeat 120 times. So now I'm going to write turtle dot color J. Now I'm going to write turtle dot circle 200 minus I, comma 100, and I'm going to write turtle dot lt. 90. Now I am going to write turtle dot circle 200 minus I, comma 100 again. So now I'm going to write turtle dot end fill. Now I will save it and then I will go to terminal and click on new terminal. So now I'm going to write Python, which means to run a Python file. Now I'm going to write index.py. Now we are going to see that it draws this. So that is the end of today's video. Make sure to like and subscribe and hit the bell. Bye.